What's up guys, and welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all having an amazing day. If today is your first time visiting my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Shebo. Thank you for stopping by. Over here we do a lot of product reviews, of course, our eyeshadow palette swatches, lipstick swatches, lip gloss swatches, you name it, high end, low end, we do it all here. So if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. And if you've been with me from day one or from yesterday, hi, welcome back. I appreciate you. So let's get into today's video, you guys. So what are we doing today? We are going to be doing an eyeshadow palette swatches. I do have one here from Essence. This one is called the Nude Edition eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. So that's the eyeshadow. By the way, I have done already a full review on this palette over here, including this eye look that you see on my eyes. I have created this using this palette right here. So yeah, if you guys want to see you know, what kind of shades I've used and how the eyeshadows performs, definitely check that video out. I'm going to link it down below. There you will see me apply the eyeshadows and how they perform, and also my thoughts on the palette itself. So yeah, check that video out. So today is just a swatch video for this one here. So in case you haven't seen it, we have the palette right here. So close up, it looks like that. And this one is a mix of mattes and shimmers. We are getting 9 shades in here in total, and this retails for €2.79. Affordable, right? I know, Essence. So yeah, that's how much it's going for, and we're getting 10 grams of product. So yeah, let's begin swatching. Let's begin the swatches, you guys. Let's begin the swatches. Let me just prepare myself. You know how we do it here. We swatch them all. We want to see how they're going to perform on the eyes, and of course how they look like on the hands as well. So yeah, you guys always wanted to see swatches. We got it here. All right, so let's go with we're going to begin with this side here, going all the way down. So I have 5 fingers, so I'm going to just do like that, and so that we see how. Actually, I'm going to use 3. I'll come back to the other one. So I have taken those first 3 there. The first one is the matte shade, which of course I'm going to swatch it over here. Looks like that. So that's just like the first one. You can always build it up. And then we have the second one, which looks like this. That's how it looks like over here. And then we have this one here, the third one, which is the shimmer shade. Such a gorgeous color, and it looks like that. You can see. So those are the first 3 shades, matte, shimmer, and actually they look pretty, so that's how they look like. Now, like I said, you can build them up. I'm going to take just one more of the matte shade so that we see, if you were to layer it up, how it's going to look like. So let's apply another layer, and it looks like that. You can see now it's more intense compared to before. So obviously they are buildable. And how I like to use this shade is you can use it, of course, to tone down. If you put too much of a darker shade, you can use it for that, or you can even use it to highlight your brow bone. If you don't want to go with a shimmer one, you can just use the matte one to highlight your brow bones, and you are good to go. So those are our first 3 shades. Now let's move on to the other one, just cleaning my hand at the same time so that our fingers are nice and clean and prepared for the other shades. Already moving on. Now we have this right here. So the next 2 are both mattes, and then we have this one here, which is of course a shimmer shade. So again, taking like that, and then this one here as well. So I have them all here, and let's go begin with this one. So that's how this looks like on its own right there, and this one here, and then whoa, ha 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 ha, and we have them right there. So that's how the other 3 shades looks like. You can see 2 mattes, 1 shimmer there, and yeah, looking beautiful. This color is such a gorgeous color, you guys. I like the way it looks like. Nice on there. And then when we move on, we have 1 shimmer and 2 mattes. And let's see how those ones are going to look like on the hands, of course. So we have this beautiful, more like a gold kind of color right here. Ooh, that looks pretty. Look at that. My goodness, wow. And then we have this, I almost said a shimmer, no, wrong, it's a matte shade. And then we have this more like a dark brown color. So 3 of them, they look like that. Now let's go ahead and swatch them. So we're going to begin with this one here. Wow, that's a lovely color too. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And then, ooh, we have this one here. That's a matte shade. And then we have this one here. Now, when you look at here, you can see that the this shade here, because it is a shimmer shade, so it's definitely, you know, picks up easily. You can see it properly compared to the last 2. Those are matte, so they tend to not really show much. So what I'll do is I'll go back and just you know, add more of that without mixing the colors, if we were to build it up, you know, so we see. So I'm just going to add this one here, because you can't do this when you apply them on your eyes. You know, it depends on how intense you want your eyes to look, but you can see over here, now that you get them all, you know, they look like that. And to me, that looks gorgeous. The shimmers are just beautiful. Cannot get enough of the shimmers in here. And yeah, so those are all 9 shades swatched to you guys. All 9 shades swatched, and that's how they look like. There you have it, me swatching Essence, the Nude Edition eyeshadow palette from Essence, of course. And yeah, we have it all here. And again, I always say, sometimes when you do swatches on your arm, the eyeshadows don't really perform exactly the same as on your eyes. So that's just something to keep in mind. Yes, we do want to see eyeshadow swatches on the arms, but the truth is that you are going to actually apply them on your eyes, not your hand. So this is just, you know, to show you guys how they look like, but then you have to make them work on your eyes. Sometimes here they can be like wow, but on the eye they'll be like eh, or here they'll be like eh, on the eye they'll be like wow. So, you know, yeah, it's always a good idea to definitely, you know, try them on your eyes. And something to keep in mind is that when you apply an eyeshadow base, for example, I always use the Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty, you know, Cut Crease Canvas, which is this one. And when you apply something like this as your eyeshadow base, I find that the eyeshadows tend to have more color payoff. You get more of that color showing up, rather than if you just to apply the eyeshadow direct into your eyes without anything, without a base. So that's something to keep in mind. Again, you know, you can use your concealer, you can use your, you know, I don't know, whatever you want to use, but have something at the base, and then of course go in with your eyeshadow. Therefore, you know, they'll perform a little bit better. So yeah, that is that, you guys. Let me know what you think of the swatches down below, and thank you for watching today's video. I hope it was useful, and yeah, lots of love. Go have a good one, take care, and I shall catch you all guys on my next video. Bye for now.